so hungry and all alone. Don't worry, I will take care of you.
There, little one. Almost done. You're doing so well, aren't you? Soon you'll be all clean and fluffy.
This food is amazing. It's the best I've ever had. I know, right? Oh, I could eat this all. Come on, little guy, let's dance. Meow. You're so good. Purr. Let's play some more. Please, Kitten, stay with me. Stay close, little one. Please, don't leave me. We need to go now. Don't go, please. I miss you so much. Why did you take me away from Angel? I miss him. Please let me come back. You don't know everything, sweetie. Well, tell me
Get away from there, you filthy animals! I'll teach you a lesson! I'm going back to your child. Meow! Take that, you little pest! Hiss! Leave me alone! Whimper!
Please don't leave me and our baby alone.
Milo! Please come back. Milo! Milo!
Milo!
Milo! Milo, are you there? Help me! Get off! Hiss! Help! Thank you for saving me. Who are you?
I am Milo's father. I have always watched over Milo from afar.
You know where Milo is?
Yes, I know where Milo is. Now we can all live together because there is no danger threatening us anymore.
You are alive. You're all staying with me forever. Hey! Welcome home. La la la, meow meow meow. La la la, we all sing together.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more.